Welcome to the APTIS speaking test. You will answer some questions about yourself and then do 3 short speaking tasks. Listen to the instructions and speak clearly into your microphone when you hear the signal. Each part of the test will appear automatically. The test will take about 12 minutes. Part 1. In this part, I'm going to ask you 3 short questions about yourself and your interests. You will have 30 seconds to reply to each question. Begin when you hear the sound. What are your favourite TV programmes? Have you done any sport this month? When was the last time you went on holiday? You have now completed this part. Your answer has been saved. Part 2. In this part, I'm going to ask you to describe a picture. Then I will ask you 2 questions about it. You will have 45 seconds for each response. Begin speaking when you hear this sound. Describe this picture. Why is it important to follow rules? What manners or rules would you change? You have now completed this part. Your answer has been saved. Part 3. In this part, I'm going to ask you to compare two pictures, and I will then ask you two questions about them. You will have 45 seconds for each response. Begin speaking when you hear this sound. Describe these pictures. What kind of schooling do you prefer? What pros and cons are there to homeschooling? You have now completed this part. Your answer has been saved. Part 4. In this part, I'm going to show you a picture and ask you 3 questions. You will have 1 minute to think about your answers before you start speaking. You will have 2 minutes to answer all 3 questions. Begin speaking when you hear this sound.
When was the last time you went sightseeing? Did you enjoy the experience? Does tourism bring benefits to the country?
You have 1 minute to think about your answers. You can take notes if you wish. You now have 2 minutes to talk. Thank you. This is the end of the test.